Welcome to Nepal National Single Window video training. This video shows the procedure for the application of import recommendation letter for weights, measures and related devices from Nepal Bureau of Standard and Metrology (NBSM). In your desktop or laptop, open Nepal National Single Window in a browser. Click on Online Submission and then on License Permit Certificate and Others. If the login page appears, enter your PAN number and password to login. Under Operations menu, click on New LPCO. To apply for the import recommendation letter, you will have to fill the form under the tabs shown. In Header tab under Type of LPCO field, select 914 NBSM. In User Reference Number, you can edit the system-generated code to enter your own code which can be used to search this application later. Request Number, Request Date, Approval Reference, Approval Date, Valid From and Valid To fields will get auto-filled by the system after submission and processing of the application. Select the country from where items are being imported in Country of Export field. In Department Office, select the Regional Office of NBSM where you want to apply for the recommendation letter. In Entry Point field, select the Customs Office for goods entry. In Invoice Currency Code, select the currency used for transaction in the invoice. Other currency-related fields will be auto-filled by the system. Select the purpose of import of the items. If the item is being imported for sales, then select Commercial for Sale option. For own use of the item, select Commercial for End Use. If Commercial for Sale option is selected, select the sales license number issued from NBSM as per the selected department office. In Remarks, the rules and regulations of agency regarding the import of items can be seen. Proceed to Name and Parties tab. Enter the name of the exporting foreign company in exporter/sender name and address. In Warehouse Location field, type the location of warehouse where your goods will be inspected. Enter your email in the company email field to receive email updates of the application status. Proceed to Items tab. Click on plus button to add an item. In Commodity Code field, enter the HS code of the item by typing digit of the code. Select the code from the system suggested list. The commodity description of the selected HS code can be seen. In Commercial Description field, type the commercial name of the item as mentioned in the invoice. Select the country where the item has been produced in Country of Origin field. If the manufacturer of the item is a different company, enter the name and address of the company or else leave it empty. Enter the invoice value of the item in foreign currency and the equivalent amount in national currency can be seen. Enter the amount or quantity to be requested in unit of measurement according to the selected HS code. Under Product Specifications, fill in the information related to the item. Enter the model number and brand of the item. Select the type of item being imported. Select the applicable OIML class for the item. Enter the capacity of the item. Enter the resolution of the measuring device. Enter the serial numbers of the item being imported. If petroleum pump is selected in type field, then provide the related OIML type approval number and number of nozzles. Click on Add button. The first item has been added as seen in the table. To add another item, click on the plus button again and fill in the form in the same way as shown before and then click on Add. Similarly, add other items with different HS code. To view the added item details, click on the eye icon. To edit the item details, click on the pen icon. To remove the item, click on the bin icon. After adding all the items, proceed to Attach Documents tab. Here you will have to upload the required scanned copy of documents for the application. Copy of commercial invoice is mandatory here. Click on the pen icon to add the file. Enter the invoice number and invoice date. Click on the file field to browse the scan file and click on open. You can upload either image file or PDF file and the file size should be of 2 MB or less. Click on update to upload the file. If the purpose of import is sales, then the scan copy of NBSM sales license is also mandatory for the application. Click on Add New Attachment button. In code field, type NBS and select the related document type. Reference number and date field is optional. Click on the file field to upload the scan document. Click on Add button. If the purpose of import is commercial for end use, then the scan copy of manufacturing license of exporter, model approval certificate and model user manual have to be attached. The scan copy of these documents can be uploaded in the same way as shown before. Similarly, you can upload all the required documents for the application. Clicking on the Store button will save this application as a draft and you can submit it at a later date. Clicking on the Submit button will submit this application to the agency for further processing. Click on Yes button on the confirmation pop-up window. The application has been submitted successfully. You will receive email notification on the email entered under Name and Parties tab. The latest application status and related work process from the agency can be seen in the Query and Notification tab. Here, request message can also be sent to the agency when required. You can download Web Tracker mobile app to get notifications on latest status update of your application.